humans, but by tiny, unnoticed, uncelebrated creatures living deep beneath the waves? No concrete, no steel, no human noise, only time, only patience, only life. Now, we descend beneath the surface, into a world where light bends, colors soften, and even sound seems to slow. This is the realm of coral reefs, the beating heart of the ocean, the living architecture of our planet. At first glance, they appear silent, motionless, like nothing more than beautiful scenery. But this is an illusion, because every coral is not one being, but thousands, millions, of living organisms working as one. The coral polyp, smaller than a grain of rice, yet capable of shaping entire ecosystems. Each polyp builds its structure from calcium, slowly, patiently, relentlessly. One day, 1 year, 1 lifetime, and over time, a city rises. There are no blueprints here, yet there is balance. No rulers, yet perfect coordination. No one dominates, everyone is connected. Corals are never alone. Within them live microscopic algae that thrive on sunlight. Zooxanthellae. These algae capture light, they perform photosynthesis, they create energy, they feed the coral. In return, the coral provides shelter. This is not a transaction. It is a partnership, but this partnership is fragile. When ocean temperatures rise, the balance breaks. The algae leave, the coral loses its color. The city begins to fade, silently, but painfully. This is coral bleaching, a quiet signal of collapse. Yet coral reefs are far more than coral alone. Every resident has a role. Clownfish find refuge within the stinging arms of sea anemones. The anemone protects the fish. The fish nourishes the anemone. Cleaner shrimp remove parasites from the bodies of larger fish. The fish remain healthy. The shrimp survive. There are predators, not to destroy, but to maintain balance. There is prey, not to vanish, but to sustain the cycle. This is not a battlefield. It is a symphony. Every species is a note. Every movement, a rhythm. Remove one species, another overgrows. Break one connection, and the entire network trembles. Because coral reefs are not a food chain, they are a food web. Delicate as thread, pull one strand, and everything responds. Reefs soften the force of storms. They protect coastlines. They sustain fisheries. They support the livelihoods of millions of people. And yet, they are vulnerable. Pollution, overfishing, uncontrolled tourism, all press silently upon these underwater cities. And corals do not scream. They do not protest. They do not ask. They simply disappear, slowly. But a healthy reef is resilient. Where diversity exists, hope remains. Nature whispers a truth. A single voice is fragile. Many voices create strength. This lesson is not only for the ocean. It is for us. These cities do not belong to us. But the responsibility does. Conscious consumption, less plastic, respectful interaction. Because understanding this story is the first step toward protection. The ocean does not call out to us. But if you listen, it tells you everything. And now, you have listened.